Hey guys, we are at the test track in Langkawi for the Continental UC6 and UC7, and we are putting the whole bunch of cars through a test using both the tires, and do watch the test and see the results for yourself. Okay guys, we are at the test track, and the first one is a braking test, right?
Slalom.
Oh, slalom.
Yeah.
Okay, so the first one is a slalom, and we are in the UC6. Thanks for reminding me.
No problem.
Okay, so we go slalom. We try to keep the speed decent so that we can feel the difference with the next tire. Actually, UC6 also okay. So this one is a braking test. No, also
this is a second slalom.
Second slalom.
Yeah.
Okay. We normally take the left, right. Oh, the tail is going out. Okay. So we'll get to see the next one. Okay, the third one must be the braking. Yes.
Yes.
And this is dry braking.
You will full throttle until you hit the brake at the braking zone there.
Okay. Okay, full throttle until the braking zone.
Yes.
3, 2, 1, go!
Let's go.
Okay.
So, yes. So you're
pretty good. That was a very short braking distance. I was full throttle. Okay, I must get to... Oh, this is slalom.
This is a lane change.
Lane change, yeah.
In the middle.
I forgot to stop.
Very nice.
And this is the...
This is another braking.
Okay, wet braking.
Full throttle and then you brake at the board.
Okay.
You were around 65 just now.
Is it?
Yes, I'll have a look again.
The road not wet enough.
Yes.
So it's actually dry braking.
Yes. So it's around 64 again.
Okay. And this is the wet lane change.
Yes.
Ah, this is going to be interesting, man.
Let's see. Let's see.
Okay. A lot of standing water.
Let's go. You can feel...
That is wet braking. ABS was working. Okay, so end of track. Okay, I'm going to go another round.
Yeah, you just need to queue up here. Now you're familiar with the track.
First one is there, right?
Yeah, the start there, the white car.
Alright guys, we're going to go a second time just to make sure that there's no fluke. And then we will change cars. Okay. That was a practice run, and this is the real run. First run is a slalom. Okay, he's got some safety. Make sure that first car is passed before we go.
Yeah.
The danger is... No, not yet. Wait till he's... Okay, now. Okay, slalom. This car steering is a bit heavy. I have no idea why. Okay. Secondary slalom. Go.
Mike, stand at the start there. Mike.
Okay, can you hold on to this?
Yeah. Yes.
Because he was moving all over the place. Okay, so this is the dry brake test. Okay, to go.
We wait for his thumbs up. We wait.
Oh, he has to wait till that car passes.
Yeah. Now thumbs up.
Okay,
Okay,
go.
go. You're slightly better than the first round.
And I actually brake at the mark.
65 around there as well,
Yeah.
consistent.
Okay, so this is lane change.
Yes, lane change.
ABS activated. The dry is quite good, the tire. Okay, now we have the wet braking. Okay, go. We have a bit of traction issues here. Also quite a short distance. I won't be able to measure, man. We have to measure
Your
already.
front wheel is around on the second last cone,
Is
somewhere around there. Front wheel on the second last cone. This seems to be the
Okay.
nicest one.
Yeah. A little bit understeer. Okay guys, so that was the test. Honest opinion, the UC6 also quite good lah. Yeah. So let's see how it goes. I'm going to turn off the camera. We're going to move the camera to the next car. Yep, he stops there. And for the UC7, we stop here. Okay, then we watch the lane change in the dry. Alright guys, so now we are in another car with the UC7. And we're going to go through the same test again and see if there's any difference. Well, the proper way would have been to have a test where you actually measure where I stop. But of course it's a different car, so there's slight differences lah. But it's okay. It's good enough a test for us to check the difference. And we are lining up. Let's see if we can cut the queue.
Seems like you can.
Thank you. Oh, this one is the AMG, man.
No,
Real.
just the line, I think. You see the
Oh,
C2.
AMG line, yeah.
Yeah, just the skirts and stuff.
Yeah. Okay, both are on sport setting. Okay, it's for safety. Let him pass. Yeah, the grip is much better. Even though it's supposed to be a dry slalom, it was a wet slalom because of the rain. And there is a noticeable difference in the grip, especially in the rear. Okay, achievement unlocked. Yes.
You approve?
Yes, guys, there is a difference. With the other one, there was a little bit of tail wagging. And now with this one on the slalom, it was really good. But just to be sure, we'll do it one more time.
Yes.
So you notice the tail wasn't going out so much, yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
And it was much better grip. So your dry test has become the wet test. Okay, so we're going to do the brake test now. We wait for the marshal signal.
For Group B people, which whenever you are ready, if you feel like want to change to a 6 or a 7, just drive towards the side. Then you can stop the car there and wait for the next car that you want to jump in now. Otherwise, just continue on, okay?
Okay. Let's go. Check the speed, huh? bit shorter, yes.
Yes.
Maybe about 6 inches. But
Wow,
it's...
close to maybe 1 meter, I think.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Your front wheel was on the first cone.
Oh.
But you're around maybe, I don't know, 1 kilometer per hour slow. I can't see your digital speed actually. I have to see your analog.
I don't know how to turn
display,
it.
you can...
Where's the display?
Not...
This one. No, this one. This one. This one.
yeah,
This
more.
one. This one.
Yes, this one. That's
Okay. This is the
lane change.
lane change. Wheels were locked because there's a bit of mud. Yeah, you see the mud there? Our wheels were locked. ABS fully in operation. Okay, this is the wet brake test. Okay, go. Traction is better.
Okay, you're running UC6.
Yeah,
Yep.
yeah,
63.
yeah. So a bit slow. And this is the wet lane change.
We should see the biggest difference here.
All right, go. Yeah,
Much better.
yeah, much better. Okay, let's do it again, guys.
You're having a lot of fun now. But that's exactly also the intention that
Yeah.
even for normal driver and users,
yeah,
they will
can
be
feel
able to
the
tell the
difference.
difference also from one to the other.
Hey, so Jensen, good job, man.
Very good job, Jensen.
He'll only know we said it when he sees the video.
Anybody wants to swap UC7? UC7 kat sini.
No, you do not want to.
Ruby, Azari menunggu sana. Ada UC7 dengan UC6 sana. I need a UC6.
So guys, we're going on this will be the 4th round of total and our 2nd round in the UC7 Slalom. Yeah, we could go, actually we went a lot faster this time.
This time you went a lot faster.
And the car was still controllable. Okay guys, please do not do this on your own at home, huh? And we go to the dry braking, which is a little bit like wet braking. Okay, wait. Okay, go. Standing on the brakes. Go, yeah. Here's where the wheel slides. You have a 4-wheel slide because of the mud there.
Yeah.
Okay, go. Yeah, good, good. And this is the most interesting one. Go through a puddle of water and he says go. Okay.
Very much
faster.
Yes.
And actually guys, I went a lot faster on this last one. It's all a combination of factors lah, and the last one being I have more confidence in the car after going around 2 rounds. So okay lah, UC7 pass.
Very nice.
Okay, now we go back and we wait for the demo run. All right.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay, so this is the developer of the UC7, Jensen Koo from Penang, born and bred. But he always say it's a team effort, but I'm sure he did a lot also lah. Thank you, Jensen. Good tire.